Hi, I'm Josh, and this is Cars and Joshy. Welcome back to Cars and Joshy. On the last video, I welded in some new sheet metal to box in the frame rails, and on this video, I'm going to be painting those frame rails and putting the brake lines back on. I got my makeshift paint booth going. I just taped some stuff from Home Depot, some drop cloths up there, taped one going across the floor, and then I taped the two side drop cloths to the one going across the floor. Figured it'd stick a little bit better that way instead of just taping it straight to the floor, and just draped them over my toolboxes and stuff. So the only section that I'm really painting is right there, so I just wanted to protect it from overspray, so I think I did that well enough. So I'm going to clean it up with some acetone, get dust and stuff off of it, and then I'll lay down some primer. Alright, I got this kit from Eastwood for internal frame coating. Comes with a tube and does like a cone-shaped spray. So I'm thinking about feeding it down in this cutout where the frame mounts go, and feed it down in there and try to spray the inside of the frame. Got the makeshift paint booth all torn down, so let's take a look at the finished product. I'm happy with it. I don't even care that the paint is not the same exact color or anything. It's a little bit more of a gloss to it than the ALK paint that was put on this frame from the body shop, but it's good enough for me. And I mean, like I said, I'm no welder, never had any training or anything. I just bought that Eastwood welder and started trying it out. So it looks like this is about the same color as that, so that's cool. Yeah, we'll be able to make this work. Bend it out a little bit, and I think we're good. Drilled me out some holes here to mount this. Shoot. I don't feel like drilling 2 holes and tapping it for the stock brake line kit, so I'm just going to take these clips off and use these little rubber insulated clips. Alright, that looks alright to me. Got a little hump right there, so I can get body mounts in. I might put something right here to keep it from riding on that. But the rest of it is all tied in. So that does it for this frame rail. Thanks for watching Cars and Joshy. If you like what you've been watching, please hit the subscribe button. Josh out.